Hi there. This is how to factory reset, hard reset the Blu View 2. Let's make sure we have the same phone. Oval camera slot, blue, a little bit of a vent here for the speakers. And we want to start with the device powered off. And then with the device powered off, we're going to hold the volume up and power at the exact same time. I like to push volume up first and then power. Just going to hold for a second here and let go as soon as you see this little white menu. Now with only the volume keys, we want to make sure that that arrow is pointing to the recovery mode. There we go. And then now with volume down, not power, but volume down is okay. It just takes a few more seconds and we're going to get to the Fallen Android no command screen. And at the Fallen Android no command screen, now we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and that brings us the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, we're going to scroll with volume keys to wipe data factory reset and then press OK with power. One more time, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Scroll down once with volume, press OK with power, and we'll wait here anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two for the data wipe to be complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Keep in mind, if you've set up your Blu View 2 with your Gmail or your Google account, you will 100% need your Gmail or Google account to log back into this phone, especially if you've turned on the Find My Phone or Find My Device security feature on this device. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And if you want a cool little settings adjustment to make your Blu View 2 run faster, watch this video next.